curiosity, let's look at plug. Again, sort of some topping, some real topping pattern here. Definitely down on the day. 15-minute chart, quickly. It's maybe making a bit of a rounding bottom here. Moving average turning up. Volume kind of light. All right. Yeah, I don't know what's Neo. It's funny how Neo. It's funny how Neo. It's funny how Neo, like the price action was funny on it today. Everything was going up. Neo was dropping. And yet Neo always seems to find a way to claw its way back. And that was what I was playing when I was trying to do that. Try to do a double bottom, but it just needed a lot longer than I had anticipated. It's kind of back here. When was it? 15-minute chart, 15. Yeah, it was kind of back in this range. It stopped me out. And then finally took another entry just as I signed off, and then set my thing back at VWAP, and just managed to go back there. So, I don't know. Neo's one of those cult stocks. All right, well, we're going to get into the last hour of our half hour here. So thanks everyone for joining in. Peter, Mike's joining us, I assume.
Yeah, he's out there. He's getting ready.
He's out there.
Now that I look at it, it's...
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
All right, well, good. Right.
It's slow. As expected, I sort of said this earlier, I expected it to be slow into the close, so no huge surprise here.
You were like the Wizard of Oz. Is that what you're saying? Most people get lucky on Tinder. You got lucky on Facebook. All right. Just don't let your wife hear that, right?
You did a high day break on it?
Yeah, that was such a nice trade. I looked at Facebook a number of times and I kept seeing it go. It was up $3.50, and I looked at it. It was up $4.50. Then I looked at it again. It was up $6. It just, it just kept.
Wow,
just had a really nice run today.
Mm-hmm.
So were you still long in? Did you leave some on and just use a trailing stop, or what did you do? Oh, it's too bad. Nice. Just a nice trade. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm.
Those are the fun, especially after
Yeah. One and done.
Yeah.
even though me and Brian, we all had a great time.
Yeah.
We did.
Yeah.
Just not back to back. I wouldn't be able to do many back to back, but
Mm. Hmm.
what's going on here? My sound is coming out my speakers. Hmm.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem to be a way to. What happened? Does not seem to be a way to change the sound here. That's weird.
Let me try something. Can you all hear me out on YouTube now? Hey, I'm not even getting an echo when I do that. Must be one of those new Skype update or XSplit updates from the settings.
Excellent.
It's a feature, not a bug.
Yeah, feature or bug. Let's see. Let me try to pull up and see if I can hear myself. I wonder where that is today. Oh, so now they can hear me with an echo. So now it's echoing.
So you got nothing or an echo.
So you get nothing or an echo. So Peter, you get the
How exciting.
How exciting.
What is going on here? It's not much is going on.
I am going to try to take a small short on Workhorse here. 55 minutes, 26.55. Just going to keep a tight stop on this. Let's see if we get a flush here. The only thing I don't like about this trade is the seems to be holding here, and the 9 moving average is flattening out, but not putting a lot of risk on this. Just stop out if it goes over 26.60, starts heading there. So just risking a couple pennies here.
Can everybody hear me in the room?
Yeah, well, I can.
I can, yep. Yep. Come on. Workhorse, you can do it. Come to daddy. Just yank those bids out. Let it drop. Didn't want to do it there. Okay, I'm going to get out of it. 61. Looks like it wants to bounce here. Maybe. It's probably going to go down now. Yeah, kind of looking at that. We got 20 minutes to the close here. A little less. SPY is continuing to show some weakness.
Yes, it is.
Do a quick little test. Let's see if it comes through.
There is some size up there on Apple. I just don't like that resistance from the upside.
I still say Peloton goes to 130.
You think so?
And it's only a buck away. Maybe. Hard to say. It's still looking a little spry. Here you go. Look at that.
Looking spry. It's looking like a spry young thing.
It's looking like a spring chicken.
Still think it's got a little spring in it. Stuff. Oh, Apple got through the resistance. Oh, it looks like Norm was right. Norm took, if I'm reading that right, he took a long trade of Apple at 124. So I didn't like that upside resistance, but he's getting a move now. The spring turducken. I guess it's a fall turducken. Have to be a fall chicken. Didn't we decide you do a lob turducken or something, or
Lobducken? Yeah.
A lobducken?
How do you stuff a duck in a lobster? That's the question. It'd be tricky.
I figured the lobster would go in the duck, but I don't know.
Yeah, well, that's the
Your
traditional
gourmet meal, not mine. That's the traditional way. You like to do it.
Yeah,
I like to do it the challenging way.
Yeah, a little more challenge in the kitchen.
Oh, I got bears all over the place here. I never.
So we have our winner for trade of the week last week.
Yeah, I think soon as Mike gets his sound items resolved, he'll be able to announce that. That'll be good.
Oh, good to have Norm on here. Norm's killing it.
Yeah, look at Norm trading Apple into the close here.
Yeah. Kind of curious to see what the SPY does here. It's trying to hold this 352.80 level. Let's just see see if we can hang on here into the last 15 minutes. I can hear you fine.
Yeah, we don't have your sound in YouTube, Mike.
No.
I'll pull the trade of the week up for you here. Do you mind talking through it? It's been got
Sure.
the description seconds.
RN. Okay, well, let's talk about that member trade of the, well, a previous trade of the day winner, which is a trade of the week winner then for today. So our trade of the week for this past week is a trade on Microsoft. Let's see, what do they do here? They took two trades actually. No, what am I looking at, Mike?
I got you. Peter, that's the trade of the week right there from Matthew.
Okay, sorry then. So Matthew O did the member trade of the week on PLL. I remember this one. That's right. So this was a nice sort of pseudo lightning bolt, or anyways, a bounce off of VWAP that they took long. You can see they took that with some good partials. One at the sort of the high of the day at the time, then another one at the extreme spike, and then partialed further on the way up. So good trade, getting all out at 6R. So that's a nice member trade of the week. I like how they looked at both the chart pattern as well as the volume to take their cues to manage that trade. So well done. And did I miss? I guess we have to do the trade of the day for Friday, right? That's what I was missing.
No, we didn't.
So that must be. This is today's trade of the day. I'm just so confused. This is why it's a holiday. Apparently my brain is only half here. So the trade of the day for Monday is a Microsoft trade. It looks like there's two trades in here because they did a low of day break and then a reversal on the way up. So played it onto the downside, saw that extreme reversal, reversed their position, and got back in for the break of VWAP and all the way up. In terms of the reversal trade, was much nicer than even the low of day break, which was nice. So good trade there. Sorry, I've been seeing you guys talking at me. And who was this trade by, Mike?
It was by R.
RN. Okay, so that's what I thought you said. I wasn't sure. RN was that trade. So congratulations to RN for the trade of the day for Monday. Don't forget, when we do these, guys, we're doing them because not only do you win a prize each day, but on a weekly basis, you can win the member trade of the week. Do you actually win a prize each day? I can't remember if you do that anymore. Should pay more attention. Not anymore. All right. So now it's just a big weekly prize that you can get in for. So if you win the trade of the week, though, you do get a brand new iPhone, which is awesome. So you can, right now, we're giving away the iPhone 11 Pro. But as we all know, because we've been watching Apple's having their announcement of their new phone. When that's available, you'll get the new phone. And if you just wait, make Andrew buy you the new one, and you can do that. So win member trade of the week. All we do is we ask that you post not only your trade, but then you're going to have to do a review of the trade and give us sort of a page out of your playbook so we can sort of see how it came about and the pattern that you're trading. To submit for the trade of the day, all we ask is that you submit it via Twitter. Submit it via Twitter tag at Bear Bull Traders, tag Mike at Mike B_BBT and at Norm BBT. They are the judges, so you want to make sure that you copy them and say nice things about them. Then use the hashtags hashtag BBT family, hashtag day trading, and hashtag stock market to make sure that they are found and that people can take a look at them. And then we announce those at the end of each trading day, like we just did today. So that's how you enter. Hopefully we'll see your trade in here for tomorrow. It's 10 minutes to the close. I'm seeing the market do its traditional little jump or drop at the 10-minute mark, so that's good. I'll just do a quick reminder of the webinars that we have. We have some more this week. Mike himself will be giving a webinar on Wednesday, so that's at the usual time of 8 o'clock. It's going to be in the webinar room. He's going to talk about the fundamentals. Oh, geez, why can I not talk today? The fundamentals of risk management and risk controls. Brian, can you pass the tequila? I think I need another shot of that.
There you go.
Thanks. I appreciate that. Much better. Okay. And then next week, after Mike does the fundamental class at 8 o'clock next Wednesday, we have one that I've been waiting for a while. Dr. Kenneth Reed is going to be on talking about how to trade for traders over 50 and some special considerations you should have. So that's next Wednesday, the 21st at 8 p.m. Apparently, as you get close to 50, you forget how to speak properly, as I'm demonstrating. This is going well because this will be about 2 weeks away from my 50th birthday, so I will need to pay close attention. So that, anyways, that is on the 21st of October. Now, we also run our psychology series, and the psychology series are very, very useful in helping get your mindset straight, and even good little refresher notes every time there's something that you know but need to be reminded of. That's what I find anyway. So they're worth attending all the time. So, tomorrow night, October the 13th, we get to be visited once again by Kreda. She's going to be talking about busting common mind traps. So her presentations are always very informative and well done. So I'm looking forward to that. That's at 5 p.m., a little earlier time because of her time zone. So keep that in mind. Tomorrow night it's at 5 p.m., so an hour after the market close, once again in the webinar room. And then next Tuesday, Mike will be giving his Module 4 of mindfulness during trading, again, back at our usual time of 8 p.m. That's on October the 20th. So there's stuff to look forward to. Kristen, I'm well ahead of it. My bourbon consumption is doing well. So if you're interested in joining us, we're still running our fall promotion. Take the opportunity to join while you can. You can get 35% off our lifetime membership using the code FALL35. That's the one-time payment option. We really do encourage you. We had a couple of new members who came in over the weekend and were here with us today, and we appreciate you guys being here. So thank you so much for joining us here in the Bear Bulls Trader Room. And if you're not quite ready and you want to see what it's like, well, then join us for a week. It's only $24. You can't lose, really. You'll get value. I can promise you. Use the code PREMARKET24 to get that $24 price. And you can join us for one full week, 5 trading days, and it includes Carlos's onboarding class, which we do live every Monday. In fact, there's 2 nights. So if you join now, you can join that onboarding class this evening with Carlos. So hopefully we will see you in the room soon. That's it. Norm, I assume that you're still in Apple because it came so close to your $24 break even, but not quite. Now you're getting a new pop on it, which is pretty cool.
Piton just could not get to 130. Ran out of steam.
Ran out of juice. I had a nice reversal trade last week on Piton. I don't want to push my luck and keep doing that, but the farther it goes, the more you're thinking it's going to reverse.
Yeah.
That was quite a spiky reversal there, wasn't it? 128. What is the high there? 41. Yeah, really pulling back off of that. Wow. Yeah. Do we have any earnings tonight?
We do have tomorrow.
All right, so nothing tonight for everybody on YouTube, just some tomorrow morning earnings that we've got on the screen. Wow, look at AMD shoot back up here.
Yeah, getting some buying into the close.
Went short AMD at VWAP. I couldn't let the day go without trying to take a trade here. See if it gives me a little bit more. It could yeah, see. Come on.
Wow, Piton just really took a nosedive here. Mm-hmm.
Wow. Oh, the SPY's moving up here into the close. That's not good.
Not really aggressively, though. It's
Come on, AMD. Goes up above here at 84.35. I'm going to have to bail. This is your point to decide you're tired. Ooh, it touched, but I didn't hit the button. Okay, I'm out.
pulling back.
I got excited to go short AMD after being long in it for so long. I just, what do we got? We got 2 minutes left here.
Okay, it's pretty heavy on the sell side. Sometimes it has some. You can see some influence. I find that sort of announcement hard to relate to anything specific, any movement. Probably in part because it's so well. A lot of the traders on the floor already know that number anyway. Well, Neo's really selling off here. SPY is continuing to leak a little bit.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. Give me a little more here. Come on. Okay, I'm all out.
5 seconds.
Yeah, I got out. I only got a few pennies on that. I went short AMD again, by the way, at 84.40. I think I got, let's see, one partial was at 84.31 and a half and 84.32. It just wouldn't move. I had to wait till the last few seconds there. You can see my exit. Well, I'm not showing a screen, but yeah, 3:59.53. 7 seconds to spare, as I like to do. All right. Well, there goes another day.
Yes.
Well, thanks, Art. I had my leftover lunch today. It's my favorite part of Thanksgiving or Christmas, those holidays where I get my leftover lunch. So that's pretty good. My girls left midday. I had a rough day trading today, actually. I think I was just very distracted this morning, so I made some mistakes. I had a couple of good trades and then a bunch of bad ones, and I just look at my P&L for the first time, and yeah, as expected, I'm just barely, probably after commissions, I might actually be red on the day, so we'll see. Oh, well, what can you do? It's all fun and games till someone loses an eye.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thanks and happy Thanksgiving, Canadians, and we'll see you all in the morning.
Indeed, as usual, open the room at the usual times. Don't forget to journal your trades, guys. It is as important as ever. I will be doing that myself, and we will see you back here tomorrow. Mike, have a good evening. Am I sharing?